This chart shows how money is generated. There's four ways that money is generated. And as you can see, you got employee, you got self-employed, you got business owner, and you got investor. So what I'm going to do is break those down individually so you can have an understanding. As an employee, you pay the highest taxes. You're taxed on every dollar earned. You have no leverage. You can't hire somebody to do what you want to do while you go off on a vacation, take care of your family or anything. You have no leverage. Time equals money. So the more of your time, precious time that you sell, the possibility of more money you can make, but very minimum at that respect. In addition to that, you can't recoup any of your money. So you pay your bills every month, you buy stuff every year. You can't write any of that off as an employee. Total not good. The second one is self-employed. Basically, you just bought your job. You still don't have leverage. If your job requires for you to be there and you can't train somebody to do what you do, well, guess what? You got to do it. You're still taxed because you got to pay business tax. You got to pay other taxes. So your taxes are even higher there as well. You can't, you do have deductions, but you own your job. So the good thing is you own your job. Nobody's telling you what to do. You just own your job. So if you got to work 80 hours a week, that's what you're going to do to yourself. So as a business owner, now a business owner, there's two ways that you can look at it. You can look at it from the commodity side or products or whatever. As a business owner, there's an investment strategy where you can actually invest in people. Normally, we're taught to invest in businesses, brick and mortar, all that different type of stuff. Here's a business where you can invest in people. And in this situation, people equals income. So the more people you help generate income, the more income you make. It's not like you're selling your time, and it's not like you're buying your job or anything. This is a collective effort. You're actually helping people, which is actually helping yourself. The money you make from that is based off of the amount of people that you help. It has nothing to do with the amount of people that's paying you or anything like that. You help people, you get paid. You help them get paid, you get paid. It's just that simple. Once you get good at that and you build up a nice big income for yourself, now you can become an investor. And as an investor, you pay zero in taxes because your money's working for you. So as long as your money's working for you, money doesn't pay taxes. Isn't that interesting? As a business owner, at least you're not paying high taxes like you are on this right side. But on this side, you pay 20% as far as business tax, approximately, and you pay zero tax when you use your money to invest because money doesn't pay taxes. So for entrepreneurs that are looking for a business or something that they can do without having to create a product, purchase buildings and all that different type of stuff, learn how to invest in people. So that way you can build up the cash flow, whether it's $5 grand a month, 10 grand, 100 grand, 200 grand. Then you can take that money and build you a brick and mortar business, because if that business failed, well, guess what? You have that cash flow coming in. So when you understand this cash flow quadrant and you understand how business works as far as you invest in people and people equals income, then you can create leverage for yourself because not all your income is tied to you. So the way it goes is if 100% of your income is tied to 100% of your effort, what happens if you can't work? But if you're a business owner in this situation here and you put in 1%, everybody else put in 1%, and it equals 100%, you stop, well, guess what? You still got 99% of your income still coming in. So you're in a good position. You're not in that trained position that we were taught to be in. So if you're an entrepreneur or looking to be an entrepreneur, look at and invest in people. Find you businesses that allow you to invest in people so people can equal income because you're helping them generate income. You help them make 100,000, well, guess what? You get paid. You help them make 50 grand, you get paid. So it's a better way of making money than how we're taught. Because when you make money the single way and you can't work, there goes your money. This way, you help some people, you're helping yourself. Just a side note.
If you feel like because you haven't been supportive in somebody's business, or you've been critical of somebody's business or somebody's life, and you know that you're going to get that back and you'd rather not deal with that, please don't let that stop you from doing what you want to do, because obviously you're not letting it stop you from doing what you want to do now, and that's not even what you want to do. So there's a group of us who have come together to just stop doing that to ourselves so we could change our lives and, make it better for ourselves and others. Join us if you want.